Alright guys, got a problem with the Corolla. I did an AC video on this car. Customer came back and it's almost middle of September. In the morning it's a little cold. The guy is complaining no heat, alright? So I checked his heat, alright? So what you do is you turn this on heat, put the fan on. I want you guys to try one thing. If your heat does not work, it doesn't have to be Toyota Corolla, it could be any other car. Just rev your engine a little bit, all right, up to 2,000 RPM, and see what kind of air you're getting, all right? And if you're getting warm air, I want you to check your antifreeze. So let's go under the hood. I'll show you that to check the antifreeze on this car. Guys, a lot of times if your heat does not work, you don't have enough antifreeze in the system. The way the system works is the antifreeze will heat up, and the hot antifreeze will enter on the inside of your car, which will heat up the heater core. If you look at these two pipes right here, these two pipes right there, those are the heater pipes. If you touch one of the pipes, it's hot and the other one is cold, you pretty much have a problem that the heater core is blocked, or you don't have enough antifreeze in the system. So just do yourself a favor, check your antifreeze, guys, and that should, if it's low, your heat will work. If it's not low, then you're gonna have to go further. Then you could rev the engine, guys. Just rev the engine to 2,000 RPM. If there's something stuck in that heater core, it will push it. It will tell you that, you know, at least give you a warm air, just to indicate, yeah, warm air is coming only when you rev it and the antifreeze is full. That means your heater core is blocked up, and it has a very little flow for the antifreeze to flow and give you hot air. So cold, hot antifreeze will go in and hot has to come out. When you blast the heat inside, the second pipe will be a little cold, not cold, like a warm. So pretty much it'll be a little bit of difference in the temperature out of the two, and that's just an indication, you know. So main thing is check your antifreeze, all right? You could squeeze it, you could open this cap and then squeeze this pipe a little bit to see if it comes back up, because all you're doing is you're pushing the antifreeze. Sometimes it's not even empty, but just top it off, guys, and also top this off. And if you have a problem with the heat, something similar to that, and it should work, all right? And we'll go back inside, guys. I'm gonna just show you how to rev this engine. If you need to, guys. All right. So all you do is you take your foot, press it a little bit, make the RPM go a little bit high, between 2 and 3, just like that. And you can hold it there for a couple of minutes. Make sure, right now my engine is cold, so I'm not gonna get much, but make sure engine is hot. Let it run, let it idle, let the temperature go into the middle, and then rev it. See what happens, all right? If you have a dial similar to this, all right, you see this, there's a wire right down here. You will see sometimes that wire comes out, and just open this glove box, just follow the cable from here to there. That cable comes out, that's the blend door motor. Pretty much it's a manual door, it doesn't have electric blend door motor, so it's pretty much a door there. That wire is gonna open close. Sometimes you put it on AC during summer and that thing comes off, and winter comes, you change it, the cable is being pulled, but all it's doing is pretty much this: open, close. It's gonna open to hot or cold, all right? So, and it blends the air, how much temperature you want. It's something similar to this, not this actual, I'm just showing you what it does. It's just a cable in there. When you turn this back and forth, all it does is opens, closes, opens and closes. All right, guys, simple. It'll take you 5 minutes. You can look down there. All right, guys, if I ever get a job like that, I will show you. But anyways, check your antifreeze, guys. Number one, all right, check your antifreeze.